Okay. This is the layout for Adobe After Effects. Okay. So if you open Adobe After Effects, or people usually calling AE, first thing you see is like this. Okay. So usually people do this for animation, video effect, for montage. Okay. Last time people do flash for animation, but now they can do in After Effects or in Adobe Animate. Okay. In this case, because you are in graphic design, I prefer if you can use Adobe After Effects. Why? Because in Adobe After Effects, you can use many uh, kind of video, animation, montage. Did you know what is montage? Someone? Did you know what is montage?
No, miss.
Okay. Montage is something like okay, example um before one what we call it, bulletin utama, something like that, before berita, so have like 10, 9, like that, right? That we call it montage. Okay, so other thing, example montage, later I will share with you some example of montage. Okay, so basically this is the interface. So same same like Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, they have composition. So this is composition, new composition. Hmm. They have size here, preset. See, in Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere also have the same thing. For digital, for digital movement, we have a lot of here. HDV, PAL, NTSC. Example, we use PAL today. NTSC usually we use in US, Europe. For PAL, Asian, we use PAL. That one, this one is screen size. Okay, screen size for television or computer. So here they have duration, maybe 10 seconds or how many seconds you want, you can put here. Example 10 seconds. The background color in Premiere, you cannot choose. Only have one background color, mean black, right? So here you can choose. You can double click here. You can choose any background you want, okay? So example here. Then after that, this is frame. 25 second, 25 frame per second. Okay? Then you can click OK. Sorry. Wait, yeah. Okay. This is the screen, but the screen is too small. You can control and plus. Okay. So this is the your screen. So here is like Premiere. All your work you can do at here. All the work from Illustrator or Photoshop or Premiere or any Adobe, you can put here. This is, we call it a project bar, okay? So if you want to delete, you can delete here. If you want to do something, you can do something here. You want to give a movement, you can give movement at here. Okay. So example, you want to put a movement for your name. Text. Okay. We give a text. Okay. First is, what should you do is right click, new, and text. Will be one bar here, text one. Here you can put maybe example, Ikram name. Ikram. Okay. So here have taskbar. Okay. If you want to give a movement for your font, or you want to click this font, this text, click here, selection tool. Okay, then you can give a movement in this screen. Okay. The color, if you want to change the color, here. Have one, call it character here. 1, 2, call it character. Here also you can change the font. Okay. You can change the font. And type also. This look like Illustrator, right? So the color here. You want to choose something like this? Okay. Everyone okay?
Okay.
So example, yeah, I want to give a movement from here to here. Okay. What should you do? Bring to here first. Okay. This is the work or the things we need to do. So here you can see. Here, right? You click. Then you go to transform. You can see all the clock logo or time logo here. If you want to give a movement, you need to click the icon, this time icon first. Example, we just use a simple icon here, yeah. Position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Example, first I want to give a movement from left to right, right? The Ikram name. So what should you do? Click the clock first. Here is the time. 1 second, 2 second until 10. Because remember, the first setting composition, I just put 10 second, right? So if you do animation in your storyboard have 20 storyboard, mean this one you need to do 20 composition. See, they call it composition, okay? 20 composition. So if composition number 1 or storyboard number 1 is 10 second, you do in 10 second. If storyboard number 2 is 20 second, you put 20 second, okay? So first, here in 00 second, click your clock here, okay? After click the time or clock here, maybe I want to give a movement from left to right. It's just for 3 seconds or 4 seconds here. 3 seconds. You bring the current line here to 3 seconds. Okay, we call it timeline here, yeah. The red line, we call it timeline. Then here, click, uh, don't click in your mouse and drag. Click shift also and drag. Okay, we see, okay? Then click your taskbar. Can see? Can see?
Can
Everyone okay? Okay, we go to, maybe we do second text. So right click, new text. Hafiz, Zul Hafiz, right? Hafiz. Okay, this one, it's small, sorry. Okay, it's small. I want Hafiz from top to bottom. Here. Okay, here you can see the movement, Ikram. Then after this one, you just use taskbar, okay? Okay, done. When Ikram name IKR here, I want this Hafiz name from top to bottom. So same, using the red line here, timeline. Don't forget to add or click the position time. See, when you click, have one dot, yellow dot here. Okay, then I want to bring this line to second number 5. Okay, have line here, right? So from here, drag into bottom. So can see? Can see?
miss?
Is it easy? So we put another one name. Maybe Anis. Okay. So Anis, Hafiz, start from here. Make sure if have like this, red color, they right here, release caps lock to refresh view, mean caps lock in your keyboard. Okay? So when Hafiz finish here, I want Anis from here to here, from right to left. Okay, so start from here. Hafiz here. Okay, same position in transform. Click, find position. Look at the line you want to start in second 4:1.12. Then click time, don't forget, have one dot here. Bring the line to maybe second number 7. Then click shift, move. When you move, have another one dot here. Okay, we bring into second 000. Then taskbar, click. Okay. Clear? Everyone okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, good. So example, we want to use in transform, we want to use scale. Okay, maybe the scale start from 000 for Ikram. Remember here, this one Anis layer, Hafiz layer, and this one is Ikram layer. So Ikram, I want to do, I want to make it big and small. So example here, scale, bring to here. So you can adjust here, yeah. You want to make it small or you want to make it big. Okay, this one example from small to big. See what happened? Okay, so because of that, we need to move. So, see. Okay, so then what should you do? Maybe I want to do something opposite. Okay, click the time. Don't forget until here. The opacity is, here I put 85%. Then to here I put, or I drag until 0%. So we'll see what happened, okay? So rotation, what happened with the rotation? Okay, here I don't want to use rotation at Ikram. Maybe I go to Hafiz. So click here. I want to do something rotation. Click. I want to start the rotation from here. Okay, from here maybe make sure you bring the line is when you want to start what you want to start your movement. Okay, you want to start from here, you click you bring the line to here. I want to start from here, then I click rotation, then I want that rotation finish at here 4 seconds. So what should I do? I just drag. Sorry, rotation from here. Rotation, right? So to second number 4, I put here. So or I can write here. Maybe 2 times. See, two times. So bring here. Taskbar, Ikram, Hafiz rotate, Anis. Okay, clear. For this clear. For this one clear.
Clear, Miss.
Okay. How about